Hello friends, today we will see how to connect relay to NodeMCU ESP8266 Arduino. This Arduino is operated on Wi-Fi. We can switch 10 relays by this Wi-Fi module. But the main problem which occurs is that we have to use relay card to use this. To overcome this problem, today I will show you how to connect a relay without using a relay card. So let's start. First we will check that does relay directly works on ESP8266. We will give a 5V supply from a mobile charger. The blue light indicates that the node has been connected to the Wi-Fi. We will use this connector for checking the operation of the relay. As we know that this LED indicates when the D5 switch is off. So we will connect this in such a manner that the orange wire will be connected to D5. Using this blink application, we can control this Wi-Fi module. Just like if we press this button, the LED glow on the module goes off. When we make it off, the LED will go on. Now we will check whether the relay directly works on the NodeMCU. Now you can see that we have connected the node wires of button 5 of D5 to the relay directly. If we make it on, we will see that the relay doesn't trigger. Now I will show you a simple technique to switch the relay on the NodeMCU on 5V DC power supply. This will be our circuit diagram for the connection. We will have to use a transistor named BC547. It has 3 legs. The leftmost leg will be used as negative terminal for the relay, and the middle terminal will be used for the VCC, and the rightmost terminal will be used for the negative terminal of 5V DC power supply. Also, we will have to keep in mind that the wires coming from the power source, positive and negative, we will have to take 2 wires out of them. A positive wire and a negative wire. The red one is positive, the green one is negative for the power supply of the relay. Now we will solder these 2 wires. Now we will connect this positive wire to one of the relay triggering terminal. And solder it properly. Now the right side terminal of the transistor will be connected to the other terminal of the relay. Now I will solder it. Now the negative wire from the power supply will be connected to the left leg terminal of the transistor. And now we'll solder it. Here our circuit for the power supply of the relay is completed. Now, as we know, the orange wire from the node is of D5. Now, considering this as VCC, we will connect this to the center leg of the leg terminal of the transistor and solder it. And here we complete our relay triggering circuit. Now let's test it. Like this, we have connected all our connections and the node is being connected to the Wi-Fi. Now let's check whether our relay works or not. Yes, our relay works. You can hear the relay triggering. And thus we have successfully made our own relay card. In such way we can make a relay card for 10 relays with same connections.